Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. I haven't posted in a while. I've been busy. My car has been giving me problems, but I'm back now. I've got few vlogs coming up. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so because I've got more vlogs coming up. In this video, I'm going to take my car in for service and I'm gonna drive on the scenic drive called Clarence Drive, and there are some repairs that needs to be done on my car, so stay tuned. So the first appointment is to take the car in for service, which is going to be oil change and microfilter change. So let's go. So I've been averaging 7.9 per 100 kilometers and I've been driving for like an hour. So I've been smelling petrol in the car, but I was like, maybe it's not serious. So I decided to stop and check under the car. Then I noticed that there is some drops of petrol on the road. So it looks like the full pump is leaking. So let's go to BMW now and see what they can do. So I think I'll just leave the car there. They'll service it and check the problem as well. And also the dipstick issue. The tip of the dipstick is left inside the engine. I think it's in the sump. I don't know how dangerous that can be, but I think the oil pump has like a filter that will not allow to suck up any foreign objects. So I'm not too worried about that one, but the fuel pump is an issue. So let's go in.
Zach on the beat.
We've made it to BMW and I'm just gonna go inside and tell them what's going on. I've left the car in, guys, and right now they're just going to drop me off. Fingers crossed. I hope it's not something serious. I hope it's just a minor repair, because at this point I did not plan for this. I did not budget for this. And yeah, maintenance plan, I know they don't pay for oil leaks, pipe leaks, or if it's an o-ring leak, so they don't cover those things, but that should not be expensive. Okay guys, it's a different day today and I'm here at BMW Somerset. I'm here to collect the car. Remember, the car had two issues: the dipstick that broke inside the engine and the fuel leak. All right, so they said to me that the fuel leak is from the fuel tank. There's an o-ring that is broken, and the dipstick, they said to me that I should not worry about the piece that's, the tip that is left inside the engine. So the next service is gonna be in 2027 or in the next 30,000 kilometers. I don't know if you can see that. So usually BMW uses long life oil. So instead of replacing your oil in 15,000 kilometers rather, you replace it in 30,000 kilometers or 2 years. But because my car now, it's gonna be a high mileage BMW, so I'm going to be doing service every 10,000 kilometers, because anyway my service plan is gonna expire at 100,000 kilometers. So from now on I will have to service the car from my pocket, and I'm gonna do it every 10,000 kilometers. And I should get myself a toolbox and everything else that is required. I'm gonna start doing service myself. I will only take it in when that 30,000 kilometers is reached. So you might be wondering, how much did they charge you for this repairs? Okay, here is the invoice. So on the invoice, they charged me for the dipstick replacement and the battery. The battery is for the remote, and I paid 1,764. Actually, I bought two batteries because my other remote was also flat. The service was paid for by the service plan.
Zach on the beat.
if you've made it this far into the vlog, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. The next vlog that I'll be posting, I'll be getting some new tires, so comment down below what kind of tires must I get for my car. And yeah, see you on the next one. Peace out.